Today I am reviewing this stripped lug nut socket extractor set from Topme. They sent me this to review, and I thank them for that. Comes in this nice orange case, hard plastic case, so it's nice to store, especially for a tool you don't want to use all the time. Comes with 14, 16, 17, 19, 21, 22, 24, and 27 millimeter equivalents. You can see it has these twist lock threads in here. So what you're basically going to do with it is you're going to push it onto a nut that's stripped and just tap it, some sort of hammer, to get it in there, like your impact. Really hammer it on if it's in there good. And since it is stripped, you're going to want to use something, you want to use a breaker bar, not your impact, and just pull it out. You can see it pulls out just fine. It has really strong teeth in there, so it shouldn't be a problem. This is great, especially if you, like me, you end up getting like old cars and maybe they have wheel locks on them or something that you don't have a key to. You can see it pulls it straight out, and it comes with this little punch to punch the stuff back through, but to get it back out. See, you know, this one's just a little stripped, kind of nasty on there. See how it's rounded at the corners. So it's a great thing to have, even just keep in your vehicle. You can see those nice spiral looking threads in there. Make it easy for an extraction. I hope that this video helps you with your buying decision.